Did you know that Moses faced his greatest challenge not from Pharaoh, but from his own family? Miriam and Aaron, his trusted siblings, began whispering complaints throughout the Israelite camp. They criticized Moses for marrying a Cushite woman and boldly declared that God spoke through them just as much as their brother. Their calculated gossip spread like wildfire, undermining Moses' authority while building their own influence. But God heard every whispered word. He summoned all three to the tabernacle and declared that Moses was different from other prophets. While others received dreams and visions, God spoke to Moses face to face. His anger burned against their presumption. The moment God departed, Miriam turned white as snow with leprosy. She was banished outside the camp for 7 days while the entire nation waited. Aaron desperately pleaded for mercy as Moses interceded for his sister's healing. Their gossip campaign had devastating consequences, teaching us that leadership concerns must be addressed through proper channels, not whisper campaigns that destroy unity.